Hello and welcome to part 2 of this question. Again, I'm going to repeat the question. Suppose you have 4 boxes of the cracked corn cereal. Remember that each box has an equal probability of containing any one of the 7 collector cards. So, 7 collector cards, I'm going to name them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so we got the 7 collector cards. What's the probability of getting the 3 identical cards? Now, I'm going to highlight this one part because very popular mistake. You're still collecting 4 boxes. So even if you're getting 3 identical cards, there's something unwritten here. You're getting an and a different card here. Okay, you're looking for exactly 3 identical cards. That means you need a different card. So again, we're going to do this in 3 different ways. Here's my 4 different cards. 4 cards here. And we have, I guess we are going to do this with the probability first. So what's the probability of getting any one of these 7 cards? 1 out of 7. And getting the same card here for the next slot. And for the next box of cereal, 1 over 7. And the next box of cereal, 1 out of 7. Oh no, not 1 out of 7, sorry. We have to get a different card for the last one. So that's going to be 6 out of 7. Now let's say this is A, and B, let's say. Now this A, it didn't have to be A, it could have been any other than 7, right? So we have to multiply this by 7 because there's actually 7 possibilities for these 3 here. And this B, it is 6 choices here for that last slot. But it doesn't have to be the last slot. It doesn't. Okay, there's more ways of getting 3 identical cards. It can be the 4th slot, the 3rd slot, 2nd slot, or the 1st slot. So there's 4 different ways of putting that different card. So we have to multiply by 4 afterwards. And so if we were to multiply this out, this divides out, and 6 times 4 will be 24, and 7 to the power 3 is 243. Okay, that's method number 1 with the lens there. Method number 2, again, we have 4 slots here. And what's the chance that we get one of these cards? A 7 in 7 chance, a probability, 7 out of 7. We're going to get one of those cards. And over here, we're going to multiply by 1 over 7 because it has to be the same card here. And for that 3rd one, it's got to be that same card there. And for that last one, it's going to be 6 over 7. So again, let's just look at our one situation. We have A, or B, B, C, D, D, or F, all the way up to G. Okay, that's already taken into account by that 7 there. And this is going to be the 6th. The only thing that we're missing here is that this B didn't have to be pulled in the last cereal box. It could have been on the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, or the 1st one. So we're going to multiply by 4. And this divides out, and we're going to be left with 24 over 243. And the last one, method number 3, we have 4 slots again. And that 1st slot, we have 7, choose 1. These next 2 slots here, they have to be the same card here. So there's 2 slots, and we only can choose the same 2. So 2, choose 2, right there. And this last one here is we have 6 cards to choose from, and we're going to choose one of them, right? The remaining 6. And what's the total? We have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. We have 7 to the 4 different possibilities for that situation there. And this becomes 7 times 6 times 1. Okay, so this 7 divides out. Left with 3. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to multiply by 4. Because this, again, A, and B, this B can be switched around. So we got 6 times 4 will be 24 over 243. Okay. Thank you for listening, and we're going to listen to the part 3 in the next video.